I am Ashwin Sai from Lakreddy Balreddy College of Engineering. First, first of all, my project is about the tensile strength machine by using hydraulic pressure. Next slide. Now introduction about the tensile strength machine. First of all, in this machine which are used into to know about that the property of the material. The property name is tensile strength to the steel reinforcement. And this machine which is the cost is too high and also heavy material, so it is very difficult to operate it. So that's why we can, and also it can operate it by using mechanically. So this my project is about that we can run this machine by using hydraulic energy with motor and jacks. Next. Now the construction process. First of all, we are arrange a horizontal platform which is useful to insert all the operators. Means we have to, as the figure 1 shows about that it's a totally plan of the object, means equipment. All objects are in there. First of all, we have to apply a horizontal member. Based on that horizontal member, we fixed a vertical supports. Means in the figure shows there is a component opposite vertical support from face side and opposite side. And another, in the vertical support center, we arranged a steel reinforcement rod which is used as a testing specimen. And also we can arrange a hydraulic motor machine with connecting to the opposite vertical support by using the pipes which is produced from the motor to the vertical supports. So on the below the opposite vertical support, we provided a wheel system which is moving from front to back. Means on that behind that vertical support there is a moving platform. When we have to apply the pressure on that, it moves from the pressure which is travel through the pipes and act on the opposite vertical support, and the opposite vertical support is moving along the moving platform. So by this process the tensile stress method is applied on it. Next slide. Work in process. First of all, we have to fix the steel rod by using side screws and connect the jacks from motor to opposite vertical plane on the motor. So we have to apply the dial gauge on the motor. Means we must have to know about the how the pressure which is applied to that, and also we can manage the pressure. Next slide. Next slide. These are the figures which is shows about the how the processor which is acting on it. First of all, figure 2 which is shows the 3D view of the compressive strength machine. In this figure it shows about that the motor which can supply the pressure to the motor to opposite vertical support through pressure pipes. Based on this pressure, the opposite vertical support is moving away from this. So that's why there is a reaction which is a tensile strength. Tensile reaction will apply on it. So that's why it shows about that the reaction of the steel reinforcement. And the figure 3 shows about that the top view of the output pressure. Means after the pressure applies, there is a arrow marks which is showing through the moving platform. Like that way, opposite vertical support which is moving from one place to the another place through the pressure. So by this main theme of the it's to provide the tensile strength machine with low cost and also easily to handle. So this is the aim of the project. Thank you.